Not put my hands up.
Have a seat.
Nope. I'll go the other way then.
No, you won't.
You call your staff.
Sit the fuck down.
I won't sit down.
Get your hands out of your pocket now. Get your hands out of your pocket now. Get your hands out of your pocket.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground right now.
What's he got?
Don't reach for that gun.
So here's where you might find yourself asking, seriously, why did he have to shoot him that much? And the answer is simple. The guy has gone back into his home. The guy has reached in his pockets. They can't see his hands. You don't know if when he went back into his home, he grabbed a full-on rifle. You don't know what he's doing with his hands, especially if he's being non-cooperative and he's going back into a dwelling space on top of that. So when you think about timer switches, hitting the off button and immediately dealing with a threat. Now, that guy putting his hands in his pockets, turning his back, going into his house, and being non-compliant, and who knows what they got called for there. That's an immediate threat that might kill you. You may not go home. Now, think about the angle that the officer has to fire upon this individual at. He's going up from the feet up. So the amount of shots and the placement of those shots to be able to hit the off buttons and incapacitate this suspect is now an issue. As you look to make sure that you've extinguished the threat, you have feet and legs that are going to be your most available targets. You've got the groin seat area, which is a fantastic target, but is not an instant solve the problem type of target. And so contending with the portions of the body that are being presented to the officer, he has to go on ahead and place as many well-aimed shots as he can on that suspect while he's moving. You would not believe the amount of people that get shot from a suspect who's laying down on the ground, who may have been shot a few times. Blood pressure goes back up once you go horizontal, and then delivers a few more rounds to the officer. And who knows if he's laying on his back, firing back at you while you're firing. So what happens to a lot of officers in real time is you lack understanding, you lack the training and capabilities to be accurate, so you lack the decision-making framework to survive a situation like this. This suspect goes down, fires at you from the ground because he went back into his house, got what he needed to fight you with, and you don't go home and literally no one cares. No one cares. All the people talking crap about you online right now literally do not care. So be trained, be professional, be efficient, and execute professional protection and law enforcement. God bless everyone.
Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.